Hello?
Yes, hi. Very good evening, sir. My name is Mike, and I'm calling from Smart Home Solutions. How are you
Smart
today?
Home Solutions? I'm
Yes,
doing
it's an
good.
alarm. Actually, it's an alarm company, okay?
I'm eating
And
cookies.
yes, sir. The reason I'm calling is we are looking for advertising home in your area. Would you be interested in receiving a wireless security system? Can you
Hell
say?
no, I don't need security, man. I got top notch, like, I got a lot of guns. I've got like
And what
12
about?
guns.
Oh, okay. And sir, what about
I've got some
for
hand
security?
grenades.
No, sir. I don't talk about hand grenade. What I'm talking about
Sometimes
is
I make
pen.
pipe bombs. And I blow things up.
Sir, let me do one thing. If you want to buy bazooka, hold on the line. I'll call my security specialist. He
Do you
will
sell
let you
gunpowder?
buy. No, no, no. I said bazooka, right? Bazooka.
You have
Pen.
bazookas? Man, that would be fucking sweet. I would love that.
Yes, sir. And what about a Glock?
A
Glock
job?
9? No, no, no. What I mean is Glock 9 and 9 millimeter. You want to buy it?
Oh, a Glock.
If you cash me out, yes. If you cash me out of 500, I'll pay you right now.
A
I'll give
Glock?
it to
You're
you. Is
gonna
that
send
okay?
me a Glock if I give you 500
Sir,
cash you out
yes.
right now?
Look. Let's make a deal like this, okay? If you give me $500 cash, and I'll give you a Glock 9 millimeter. Is that okay?
You got a, yeah, that's fine. I would love to have a 9 millimeter Glock for 500. Is that a good deal, or is
Yes.
that, or are you taxing me?
No, sir. I'm just gonna give you a gun, but I don't. I didn't say that
I'm
I'm
at
gonna give
work,
you a
man.
gun.
We'll have to talk about this later.